Welcome to KPIs Control Licensed User Console. Today we will demonstrate the licensed user for small mid-scale company vertical. I have applied for a license for small mid-scale company through our website which we demonstrate earlier how to apply. Now here I have received a mail. See, I have received this mail, and in this mail the I can see the name of the company is this, the email, password, phone number, and all details are there. So I will copy this email, password, and license number and log in into our system. So I have copied the email ID, I've copied the password, and I've copied the license number. I'm signing in into the system. The empty dashboard loaded. As first of all, we have to navigate to my profile area to fill out the metrics category and upload the picture. This is the details of the licensed user. My parent is direct license user. This is my license number, and all details are given there. I will upload a picture, and I will select from the existing business categories. I will select online e-commerce business. I have a e-commerce business which deals with add to cart function. Several products are there, sellers products are there, and I want to scale up my business. So here we go. I have updated these details. See, this logo is reflected and my business category is reflected here. So I'm navigating to self dashboard. Here I can see the online e-commerce business metrics categories there with empty demographics like departments, no employees as of now. I haven't created any, therefore I have an empty dashboard. So these are my matrices which we can take help at the time of forecasting an action. So first of all, monthly website visit is one of my metric. I need to plan accordingly. So at the time of creating an objective, I can use these concepts to create an objective. Now, what I can do, I will demonstrate. A mid-scale, small-size company have their own metrics libraries, as well as they can use from this global matrices libraries. See, all the matrices libraries are listed. Okay, we can create our own metrics if we want. For ease of indicator usage, we can create our own metrics library if we are not satisfied with the existing metrics libraries. As a demonstration or as a guide, we have a global set of metrics available into our system. In future, more metrics libraries will be populated here. So I'm going to this organization hierarchy, which shows I don't have any employees, any departments. So first job is to create a department. See, we have an online e-commerce business. So first of all, we need to create a production, a seller, management department. I have added this. The financial department, I've added this also, and many other departments such as logistics departments and so on and so forth. So I'm not going into details, I'm just navigating you or guiding you throughout the process. I can manage employees, and those employees can log in into this KPIs control system to take objectives, strategies, and forecast actions. Also, they can take actions as per that. The admin will get all the actions taken by the employee, and they will have a report of that employee who took an action. So we need to onboard an employee for that, and that employee need to be more productive in this KPIs control product. So here I am creating an employee test, email test at the rate test.com, password is 12345, phone number, any sample phone number I'm giving, employees department says post financial department, or I can select seller management department, reporting person is SM company admin, and location is this, and address, if you don't have any, put across, we can put across, save it. So this is my employee with an ID of this is the employee ID. Okay, we can manage this employee from here. Fine. Now we can create objective, or employee can request for an objective. Rather, we are creating as of now. During creation of an objective, first thing we need to see what objectives I need to take. I need to think the objectives need to be reliable, and objectives need to be more precise. So I'm going to metrics library which are available to us. So at the time of creation of an objective, I will select this supplier onboarding time, because my department, I have created an employee for this department, seller management department. Okay, so seller onboarding or supplier onboarding can be done utilizing this employee, or this employee can take feasible actions towards it. So I will take an objective, add an objective, onboard 20 suppliers. Objective description is anything I can give as per my requirement. Department, seller management department, metrics library is supplier onboarding time, and I will create a very short deadline of from 1st March to maybe 5th of March, or 1 minute. 1st of March is Wednesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Friday. In 3 days, they need to onboard 20 suppliers. It's a very strict and stringent objective I've taken. Qualitative target is qualitative target can be from different categories, from different product billing categories. Means I need to list different product billing category suppliers. My quantitative target can be 20. I need to onboard 20 suppliers. So this kind of objective is very precise and to the point. I need 20 suppliers in 3 days. If you think 3 days are not enough, you can extend it by maybe the next week or 10th. So from 3rd of March to 10th of March, I need this. So add it now. I've added this objective. This objective is on progress. Now I will leave on the employee to take strategy and actions. I'm logging out from the system. My employee is test at the test.com. Password is 12345 as we know, and this is the license number. I will copy. I also want to share you the mail I have got during creation of an objective. See this. When I have created an objective, the system emailed me that thank you for creating an objective for key performance indexing. This is the emailer like this. Here the objective name and each and every details are given in my mail so that I can catch it up anytime without entering the software. Now again we are navigating to this area. I will sign in as the employee. Okay, I'm there. So now my job is to manage strategies. I need to manage the strategy. Add new strategy. I have to click from this objective, onboard 20 suppliers. The first strategy should be filing, filling, or distributing 1000 pamphlets in 1000 in to suppliers to 1000 suppliers in 5 days. Or I don't count the days. This is the distributing 1000 pamphlets into 1000 suppliers. So the objective is this. The qualitative target is I need to select the strategy type of what I want to achieve. So this is I can select quantitative. The numerical value may be 50. This is my 50% of the job. So add new. I have taken this strategy, distributing 1000 pamphlets in to 1000 suppliers. I will take a forecast that with the matrix onboarding date and start date. These are two matrix parameters. So start date, I will mention this start date is from 1st of March. Started onboarding process. Okay. So index count is out of 50, the index count is maybe 15 or it can be 10. Okay. I have forecasted this action. Start date. Forecast name is start date. Okay. Now I will again forecast an action based on this matrix onboarding date. Onboarding date. I will select the end date to measure, like maybe 1st of March to here it is given that 10th of March. So 10th of March deadline date. I have selected onboarding date, and then I have created the matrix as onboarded, onboarded 30 suppliers. Okay, so this is my index count is 40. I have added this forecast action. This is forecast. I will do this job so that I have created this forecast. My strategy was to, sorry, my strategy are to onboard 20 sub to distributing 100 pamphlets. I can change this objective, obviously. So distributing 1000 suppliers, this objective was not relevant. So I will rather onboard, start, start distributing and onboarding. This should be my strategy name, and the strategy details. Start distributing 100 1000 templates and start onboarding. So I am very clear that I need to start this process distributing 1000 pamphlets and start onboarding. So my objective was onboard 20 suppliers. So my forecast actions were to start the pamphlet distribution, the start date, onboarding date. Fine. So I will go to taken action part. Obviously, I have taken this action, start date, started distributing, distributing 40, distributing, started distributing 40 pamphlets and and onboarded two suppliers. This is start date condition. So that operational date was, as we know, that 1st of March. Okay, it is achieved. I've taken this action. Okay, so I will go to this dashboard section, which will reflect my forecast, taken actions, and strategies. This is my self dashboard, so it is not reflecting any objective. Okay, so this is the condition. The generally 10% of the objective is taken. This 50% of the strategy is taken, and forecast is this action part is taken. Okay, so this 10% KPI I have achieved. Okay, so the supplier onboarding time, the matrix calculation part we will come up in future, but the KPI index or the KPI achieved is 10. So the performance will be based on completion of the deadline. I can record this performance. If it is above 60%, then it is going in the right direction. It is below, if it is below 50% or 40%, then we need corrections. We need severe measures. Okay, so this is the concept. I'm logging out from the system. So again, I will sign in with my credentials. Again, I will sign in with my credentials, my password of SM company, admin password, license number. Okay, sign in into the system, and I can see that I have my employees have taken this. So my employees report, if I go, this is the employees department, employee ID, and everything. The actions I can see. This is the action, and this forecast I can see. Strategies I can see. Everything I can see. Okay, and obviously the organizational hierarchy, which was showing at that time only admin, now it is showing the departments and the employee, which is the head of this department. This is a short demo of how to use this vertical and this entire application. Thank you.